Ayan. So, hi everyone. This is Woody Mary and I will be magkaroon tayo ng ng mabilisang tarot reader, tarot reading lang. So, hi everyone. Hi Tete. Welcome to my live reading. I'm currently here sa resort to record my contents here on my YouTube. I mean on my TikTok. Hi Ma'am Jess. Yun. I wasn't able to reply guys kasi nga nasa bakasyon po ako. Pasensya na po. But I will be having uh, fast tarot reading like 40 minutes or 30 minutes lang. So kung sino lang maabutan, sino lang ano. Hi Ma'am Jess. So hi everyone. Welcome to my live reading. I will be sharing this. Rina ng gabi favorite. Ay, salamat po. Oo nga, ano yun, mali-mali yung ano ko, ma'am. Pero in-upload ko na lang sabi ko. Mali-mali yung chords. Kasi mararamdaman mo naman pagka may naramdaman ako feeling ko mali yung isang chords doon. Tapos yung pinagbabasahan ko, mali yung lyrics. So, kulang pala. Ayan. So, hi everyone. Welcome to my live reading. Might have questions about anything. Oo nga eh. Punta ka na dito. Ito, kapitbahay lang namin 'tong resort na 'to. So, hindi naman po ito like sobrang malayo because I'm here in Puerto Princesa. Ayan, oh. Simple lang naman. Sobrang init, 'di ba? Pero kasi nakakaumay din pagka nasa loob ng nakakaumay din mag-record sa loob. So, 'yan. Kasi alam ko na wala masyadong online ng ganitong oras. Pero kasi ang dami nagchat-chat sa akin. Na yun nga, I wasn't able to reply them. So, sana maabutan nila yung mga nagchat sa akin because they would like to have a tarot reading. So for today's tarot reading, we will be using this, of course, my favorite, Deviant Moon Tarot. This is the Deviant Moon Tarot. Gusto ko sana mag-picture pero kasi hindi tayo katulad ng mga foreigners na to na gustong gusto nila yung araw. Siyempre manugnog tayo guys. And thank you so much for following me. Meron na akong kaka-upload lang na video about explaining answering the question, is manifestation demonic? So, yun. Feeling ko naman na-explain ko ng maayos eh. Ayan. So, uh, y- sige, magbibigay ako ng free reading sa mga mag-share. So, random lang. So, if you would like to have a free reading with me, you can go ahead and share. Share this live para naman dumami-dami yung viewers, diba? Ayan, si Miss Jen. Thank you so much for sharing. And you can put your question. You can ask me anything. Hi, Miss Chi. Hello then. Ayan. Hi, Hearty. Welcome to my live reading. And sa ating lahat. So guys, this is just a short live. Short live lang tayo habang nintay ko pa yung ano. Oo nga, sige, mag-ask ka na. Kasi mabilis lang tong live ko. You can put your question dyan na kaagad. And then, para ma-answer ko agad. Pero after this, after yung, yan, Mara, gaganda ba buhay mo? For this one, you can go ahead and share po because tarot reading, this is also an exchange of energy. You might want to follow me here or share the video para ma-answer ko yung tanong mo na yan. But before that, answer ko muna si Miss Jen because she shared the live. Energy check po sa aking relationship for next year. For this one, think about your person. Thank you so much po for sharing. Let's check the energy. May mga nakabuklat eh. Ayan. So, for this one, Miss Jen, congratulations because by next year, I can assure you this that next year is about completion, not just when it comes to your emotional self. Look at the family here. Kumbaga, 10 of Cups is about 10 out of 10 love talaga. Aside from this, hindi lang siya when it comes to your emotional. Like yung heart mo, hindi lang siya ma-fulfill. This is also about you being like pentacles talaga. You will be also um, building the wealth with that specific person or with someone. And look at you here, talagang complete yung pera mo dito and pasok ng pera. And also, I'm seeing here that this is coming from you already know this person or you have built something na memories with this person because Six of Cups is about nostalgic memories and also soulmate and High Priestess. If you are thinking about someone, as I say these things to you, this is your insurance. You are in line with your intuition. So thank you so much po, Ma'am Jen, for asking and for sharing this live. You might want to follow me here. Sa mga nag-share po ng live, ayan si Ma'am Chi, Madri Roj. For this one kasi, I am seeing here that Ma'am Jess already sent me a payment. So I have to prioritize her po. Si Ma'am Jess pa lang po. I'm not sure kung ilang question. Ayan si Ma'am Jess. Ilan po ba yung, ano po yung question nyo, Ma'am Jess? Maraming salamat din. So Ma'am Chi, pasensya na po. And sa iba kasi, ayan, nag-pay na sila eh. So, ito kasi yung baga pagka nag-pay na, I would have to prioritize. Of course, kasi, di ba, nagbayad sila. So, thank you so much po. Sige po. Ay, apat pala yung sinend mo, ma'am. Sige po. Sige po, Ma'am Jess. Siyempre, babawi naman ako sa yung tagal kung hindi na nakaano. Babawi ako sa Ma'am Jess. Ayan si Bern. Actually, nag-online ako, Nobita, for you. Nag-online ako, sabi ko sa'yo, babawi ako, di ba? So, sige po. I wasn't able to reply her kasi may spill ako na kinaka-copy-paste for the rates. Tapos hinahanap ko yung pang-reply ko sa kanya kasi I'm gonna copy-paste it lang. Tapos hindi ko makita. Tapos yun, nalimutan ko na siguro mag-reply. Pero re-replyan ko po talaga siya. So, yung kapatid ko andito may magpaparit din daw. Sige po. Ayan, si Nobita. Hi, Miss Tree. Ask na po kayo, ma'am. I can't open my laptop po. So, I cannot see yung private messages if mag-private message ka po. So, if you don't like to mention the name, that's fine. Chat nyo lang po yung question nyo dito. Ayan, classmate ni Nobita. Ayan. O nga, classmate na. Current energy or feelings si Andrew towards you. Okay, for this one, Ma'am Jess, same drill. Give me a number 1 to 10. And please let me know, malinaw ba? Oo, sige. Recorded na lang sa'yo. Sige, i-PM mo na lang ako and I will record it. Sige, ingat. You chose number 8. Okay, so Ma'am Jess, are you still there? Ayan si Leha Kaban. Thank you po. Next time na po ako magparid. Sige po, okay lang po, Ma'am Ping. sa mga nagpipi, thank you so much po. Ayan si Leha Kaban. Kayo po susunod dito. For this one po, Ma'am Jess, are you still there? Ito yung current energy sa'yo ni Andrew. As of this time, nafe-feel niya sa'yo and energy niya sa'yo is so much heartache. Sa heart niya, look at his heart here. It is stabbed, not just by one, but by three swords. This is about him talagang feeling betrayed and feeling depressed about what he ito yung energy niya sa'yo. And also, magpaparead ako, record mo lang. Sige po, sige po. Okay, magpaparead, i-record lang. Pero if you want, I can record naman. I will do my best naman to ano. Pero kung gusto mo dito, that's fine. So for this one, Three of Swords. Diba? Masakit ito. And as I clarify this, sa ilalim niya, we have here the Five of Cups. As you can see here, the main character, you're not in this person's presence, hindi ka nasa harapan niya. Pero look at you here, look at the guy here. Parang naiisip niya, at the back of his mind, naiisip niya yung what you had is such a good company connection. You still have here the Two of Cups, which is about mutual understanding, mutual love, and attraction for each other. And look at you here. Ngayon niya naririnig yung mga sinasabi mo. You are literally haunting this person's mind. And this is causing him to see things on a different perspective. We have here the hangman. Ang hangman kasi usually, di ba ganyan ang tao. Pero for the hangman, this is allowing him, itong space na to, yung time na tinitake niya dito, is allowing him to see things on a different perspective. And ano ba yung perspective na yon? He is seeing you now as someone that is very independent and kayang-kaya mo. Yung aura mo dito is glowing. And to be honest, I'm seeing your romantic feelings coming from your person. We have here the King of Cups. Ang King of Cups, this is someone that has romantic feelings for you. This is not platonic, okay? Ito we consider this as the King of Hearts then. Ayan, na-PM ko na po yung question. Hi, Ma'am Miss Leha. However, I cannot open po my messages here on TikTok kasi nandun po sa laptop ko and hindi ako makapagbukas po. So, yun lang po, Ma'am Jess. Let's now proceed po to the second question. Si Ma'am Jess po kasi, apat yung questions niya, actually 5. So, hi. Next yung sister ko, hahasilate. Sige po, Ma'am Jess, what is your second question po? Susunod si Ma'am Lay. Si Ma'am Lay. Si Ma'am Lay din pala yung sister mo. Siya po ba yun po ba yung second question? Oo nga, sarap nga. Ano lang to, isang barangay lang to sa amin, guys. As in, isang motor ko lang to. Isang motor lang. Number 9. Hindi ko na siya babatiin sa birthday niya. Ano mangyayari sa connection namin? So, for this one, you chose number 9. So, same with this one po. Think about your person as I shuffle these cards. Ayan. Ano ba yan? Kasi yung suot ko. Think about your person as I shuffle. Daan po kayo dito sa Puerto Princesa.
Okay. So thank you so much for patiently waiting. I can see here that for the next year, because as you said, hindi ka na mag ano, 'di ba? Hindi mo na siya babatian. I can see here that ako, I'm just interpreting the cards. Ha. You have here the Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. This talks about new year, new beginning. Um, and however, yung katabi niya dito is we have here the Death card. Ang Death card is about transformations or literal endings here. Um, as you can see, possible that yung connection nyo in the past or in the recent past, merong unfairness. Look at the two people here. There are two people here, however, may unfairness talaga when it comes to size. Yung parang isa is boss. I can see here na kung ano man yung dynamic yun dito would be ending by next year. Ace of Pentacles. So parang it will now end itong setup nyo na to kung ano man tong unfairness na nangyayari sa exchange of energies nyo for each other. We have here the World card, which is also about endings. Look at you here. Talagang this time, this is your time to really um step in with your main character energy. Okay? So, yung part mo na yon, ng sarili mo na yon, now that you have decided na hindi ka na magko-contact dito, this is a power move sa part mo wherein talaga mag-step in ka na sa main character energy mo. And also, this is the truth na panghahawakan mo ngayon mismo that you are watching this video. You have here the Ace of Swords. This is the realization, the truth na panghahawakan mo. And lumabas din dito, I can see here that your person will take teeny tiny steps towards you. Hindi siya yung major na, okay, leap talaga. Hindi siya yung mabilis na, okay, alam mo yon bonggang offering talaga. So, ang page of wands, ang page kasi this is a messenger. And then, look at the main character here. Medyo maliit lang yung kanyang steps towards you. And this time, kung in the past, siya yung malaking personality sa inyo, siya yung parang boss dun sa connection, I can see here na you will become the boss, the queen, the leader of your queendom or your relationship or connection here. We have here the Empress card, which is about you. Talaga nakatapin ka dito sa royalty level, that you are someone that is incomparable. And I am also seeing here na hindi lang sa kay Andrew but also to other opposite sex, you will be sexier and will be 10 times more hotter. More na nga, I mean hotter, wala nang more. So, ang Queen of Wands is about him. And I can see here na talagang your person would take a step forward towards you. And some parts of the connection will end, which is the unfairness and imbalance. That in the past, siya yung malaki. Tapos ikaw yung parang tinatapakan niya. So, you're just like a follower na tong tao na hindi siya talaga mukhang relasyon eh. Pero now, na you stand your ground, I can see here talaga na itong truth na to, ngayon mismo ha, panghawakan mo to yung truth na to that you know your worth. And some part of this, especially this, itong dynamic yun na to, would end. Okay? So, look at you here. Oh. This is also about endings. Pero look at this ending, di ba? Kahit na ending siya, this is about you expanding your horizon. Kumbaga, literal na may maraming mga fishes dito sa sea. Thank you so much po, Ma'am Jess. Let's now proceed sa next question. Number 10, is he gonna take action or communicate? Communicate or, okay, is he gonna fix our connection and when kaya? So you chose number 10. This is for your third question. And sa susunod po, si Ma'am, sino ba yung susunod sa kanya? Si Ma'am Lay. Ayan. Kayo po yung susunod, di ba? Kaso hindi ko po makita yung ano, I mean, hindi po ako makapag-open kasi cellphone lang po yung gamit ko. So for this one, Ma'am Jess, think about, sige po, Miss Mika, however, si Ma'am Jess po, meron pa siyang 3 questions and then meron pa pong nag-send. So, sige po, willing naman na mag-wait, pero wait nyo rin ako ha, kasi baka matagalan kayo, baka mag-exit na kayo. For this one, think about your person once again, Ma'am Jess, and let's see what are his energies. So first of all, I do not read reversals. Baka may nagtatanong sa'yo, bakit nakabaligtad yun? Hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversals. Kasi, sige, explain ko lang sa ibang reels. Pero depende yan sa tarot reader. Pero kasi ang dami ng negative cards dito sa tarot deck na if I will read it as reversed, wala nang matitirang positive. Talaga, totoo. Maging unfair yung positive and negative sa tarot deck. So first of all, we have here, this is a definite yes because we have here the 10. So you were able to, since you chose number 10, you are able to manifest this 10 of cups. This is about 10 out of 10. Your heart will be fulfilled. There is reunion here. Talagang yung mga tao dito, talagang family that is loving. So this is not just about you but also in general, yung hindi lang sa iyo, pati yung mga tao sa paligid nyo will also have this love. So I can see here that your question here kasi is, if i-fix niya pa ba? Okay, if i-fix niya pa ba yung connection ninyo? Diba? Is he gonna fix the connection? I'm also seeing here that as of this time, your person, talagang lumabas din to kanina, di ba, is really seeing things on a different perspective. And ito talaga yung time nyo na to, if there is a pause, ito yung time nyo na tinitake to really realize this. Doon naman sa tanong na, is he gonna fix this connection? Yes, definite yes, kasi we have here this is about taking risks. Look at the Knight of Wands here. Talagang literal na lumipad yung main character dito. Willing to take risks because this person sees you as an adventure. And also the Fool card. Mag-tap in ka po, ma'am, dito sa the Fool card, which is about, yung affirmations natin dito, it's about any minute now. Okay, ang Fool card kasi, kumbaga sa numerology, this is not positive, this is not negative, this is number 0. So, ang 0, openness and having this open-mindedness. At any minute now, your person is going to contact you. However, sometimes, tayo rin yung naging reason because we are always attached na, saan, kailan, saan, paano. You know what, in manifestation, kaya may term na tinatawag tayo na quantum leap. Diba? Nandito ka sa state na to and I want to go to that state. Kumbaga, ito ang start and gusto ko mapunta sa finish. Sa manifestation, you really have to medyo set aside na natin kung if you want to quantum leap, diba, jump ka dito sa result mo. Wag kalimutan mo na yung mga what, where, when, yung nangyayari between the two of you. Parang yung distance between your start and then yung outcome or yung goal mo. So, huwag ka masyadong mag-dive deep dito. Hanggat maaari, wag mo nang intindihin yung mga what, where, when, how sa ma-manifest ng isang person. So, mag-quantum leap ka na kaagad. Focus ka na dun sa you already have that desire. Kasi we have here on the Fool card. This is optimism. This is about new energy. Optimism yan. Pagiging positive mindset. And you have here the 10 of Cups. So if you're still wondering, is this person gonna make an effort towards you? Yes. Yes, anytime soon here. Pero kanina lumabas sa reading, that is 1 year from now. Pero as I said, you are the creator of your reality. So why would you wait for 1 year if you are claiming it now, not tomorrow, but today? Because on the Fool card kasi is like, alam mo, ang dami may mga mali sa manifestation. Some people kasi are thinking na, okay, I just have to wait for the universe to align. Kailangan, para bang may outside source na nagde-decide whether or not you can get this person or not. Pero ang manifestation, from the word itself, pag sinabing manifestation, tayo yung nagmamanifest. Okay? And you can only do that. You can only do that by claiming it already. So, hindi ako nagagawa-gawa lang dito kasi this is actually backed up by the Bible, by quantum physics. So, yun. Sa lahat ng religion, if you're gonna understand it, talagang have faith on it regardless whether may no contact ba kayo, blina ka ng person mo, may jowa siya, may third party, it doesn't fucking matter. Okay, so for this one, I will now proceed to the next question. Ayan, hi Miss Mika, I'm seeing here that you've sent me. However, talagang may dalawang question pa po. So, thank you so much. Balik-balik lang. So, what's the reason why he didn't respond to you or avoiding you till now? Let's see, ha?
Hi, Pai. Dito ako sa Panya. Panya Resort. Dapat pala hindi ko sinabi, no? Kasi 'di ba may mga content creators na namamatay. Pero wag naman. Ate, PM ko question ko eh. Wala mamaya dito. Baka. Oo, sige, sige. Huwag ka mag-alala kasi talagang end ko lang to kasi syempre may pupuntahan pa ako. Hindi, dito lang sa Santa Monica, Pai. Yan o, sa Panya. Minsan dito tayo tambay, Pai. Kasi mag-book lang tayo sa Agoda. Tapos yun. So guys, lahat ng mga naka-follow sa akin dito, I assume I help you to manifest, guys. Hindi ako papayag na hindi nasusunod yung gusto natin. So walang mag-victimhood sa atin na. So don't worry kasi I was one of the pinaka-overthinker na tao. And I was able to revise that situation. So, hindi ako papayag na yung mga nag-follow sa akin dito hindi nyo ma-manifest yung mga desire nyo. Regardless if it's about money, job, success, work, whatever it is in this 3D realm. So, yon. Huwag kayo mag-alala, nandito naman ako to help you guys. So, what is the reason why he didn't respond? Ay nako, me. Consistent ang card sa'yo. Consistent ang card sa'yo. So, kung ano yung mga tinanong mo in fairness dito sa kung thank you so much po for reposting, Poleng. Malapit na yung birthday mo. Ayan, so, consistent ang cards dito. As you can see here, this person or si Andrew is the type of person that wants to give. Yun ang kanyang love language. Wants to give energy, love, token, pera. This is how he is as a person. Yun yung gusto niya. And however, as of this time talaga, your person, kaya isa sa reason why hindi siya hindi siya hindi niya ikaw pinapansin or things like that. Kasi nandito siya sa rock bottom ng buhay niya. When I say rock bottom, when it comes to his finance. Yung swords niya dito, yung pain, yung struggles niya dito is talagang ah sige, thank you so much, Nika. Ayan, yan ang mga kaibigan, di ba? Huwag kayong mag-alala, babawi ako sa inyo. So, we have here the 10 of swords. So, talagang yung swords, yung pain na na-receive niya dito talagang hindi lang isa, kundi 10. So, this is about him. How can he pour his cup sa'yo if sa sarili niya rock bottom siya? Wala kasing table eh. So, as you can see here then, yung person na to is in the transition of going out of this burning things. Whatever this is, but I'm seeing here, this is about finance. Paalis siya dito sa isang bagay na to. And for him to, kasi nga rock bottom siya, di ba? And this is the only reason that I can see here na talagang paalis siya sa isang burning things and nandito siya sa hermit mode. Ito tong transition niya na to hanggat maaari ayaw niyang makipaghalubilo sa ibang tao or ayaw niyang magpalapit sa when it comes to his emotional space. The hermit card, this is about him. Lilo, hermit mode. Mga term sila na mag-hermit mode muna ako dahil ito ay parang pag-isolate sa mga tao or this includes your connection na rin. Okay, so huwag ka mag-alala kasi in this silence, itong alone time na to, this will realize what you can offer or how important your presence sa person na to. However, mag-warning ako, hindi lang sa'yo ha, kundi na rin sa lahat ng manunood dito. It's too hard for us to accept na ganun lang yun kasimple, yung manifestation, ganun lang talaga yun kasi we're still diving deep na
parang we are conditioned na kailangan paghirapan muna natin isang bagay or kailangan may, alam mo yun, kailangan may pain muna bago tayo makaka-gain. So, it's so hard for us to accept the simple truth that this person wants you and loves you. Kaya minsan, actually hindi ka minsan kadalasan, tayo rin yung naging reason why a specific person is, yung energy niya, last time nag-check ka, it's okay, and then right now naman, biglang hindi okay. You also have to check yourself, ano ba yung inner assumptions mo sa tao na to? Diba? So for this one, let's now proceed po sa next question. Um, Ma'am Jess, are you still there? Saglit ka lang po. Yes po, saglit lang kasi may pupuntahan pa po ako. Pero baka mamaya makapag-live din ako. Are you gonna reconcile before 2025 ends? So for this one, you chose number 5. Think about your person as I shuffle these cards. Think about your connection or relationship. So based po sa mga cards ito, this is a no. I'm seeing here that because we have here indecision from your person, Two of Swords is there's about yes or no. So this could also be you in the connection that sometimes it's a yes, however it's a no. Depende how moody you are. So inform ko na rin kayo lahat sa mga nanonood dito na ang manifestation, hindi yan, ala, paano ba yan, Voodoo Mary? Na umiyak ako last night doesn't mean na mapopostpone yung manifestation. Guys, I was able to manifest kahit na-depress ako before. So, hindi yan nagmamatter. Hindi yan nagmamatter yung feelings sa manifestation nyo. Alam mo yung nagmamatter talaga, yung mindset mo. So, dapat meron tayong assumption na okay, kahit na umiyak ako ngayong gabi, kahit maging moody ako, dapat kung anong gusto ko, yun ang nakukuha ko. I'm seeing here that you're still fighting with your own demons or yung person mo na to is still fighting with his own demons. And devil card, let's define this. People are thinking kasi na pag sinabi ng devil, literal na yung mga nakikita natin sa horror movies. And yes, that's true. That could be a form of demons. Pero kadalasan, ina-attack tayo ng demons na to by thinking negatively. So, hindi yan literal na okay, may conjuring dyan or things like that. Ang demons kasi, or devil, inaano yan somehow, isipin mo, saan papasok yung mga negative, saan galing yung mga negative assumption mo, or yung mga negative thoughts mo, di ba? Out of the blue, ang saya-saya ng lahat, biglang suddenly, mayroong makaka-feel ka ng negative feelings. So, ganun ka ina-attack. Okay, so I can also see here that, pero sa person mo naman, huwag ka mag-alala kasi I can see here na, di ba, nagka-crumble down ng kanyang finance, the Tower card. And this is the main reason bakit kanya siya not done sa life niya. I can see here naman that by itong 2025 na to, this will help him fix kung ano man dapat niyang i-fix when it comes to his finance. And ikaw, as someone na queen, as someone that is an empress, this 2025, this is your time then to restore your energy. So not just parang nakadepende tayo kay Andrew. So take this opportunity, wag ka masyadong aligaga na, teka nasaan na yun, baka hindi ako mahal nun, baka hindi ako ganito, ganyan. No, chill mo lang. You know to yourself na wag ka na masyadong mangialam sa how, when, how, ano bang current, ano niya ngayon. Kasi mag-quantum leap kayo, kaya may term na quantum leap. Kasi tatalon ka from this place to your goal. So paano ka makakatalon sa goal mo if kumbaga tinitingnan niyo mo pa yung blockages mga blockages na nangyari. Ayan, nakapila pa kayo. After nyo ako na lang, hi Miss L. So, yun. Me pa the last na to. 10, is it right na I'll just wait for him or take action? Wala sa side ko. Sige po. For this one, once again, think about your question. Huwag ka magsabi, ma'am, na ano mo yung pwede last na to. Ano ka ba, ma'am? Siyempre, pabor sa akin yan.
Especially, we also have this connection na rin. Alam mo guys, ako kaya alam mo, sa totoo lang, kasi hindi ako friendly na tao sa totoong buhay. Palaaway ako. So, masaya ako na I was able to have this community. Nakikilala ko na kayo. Like sila Miss Mika, si Ma'am Jess, and sila Nobita, si Ma'am Chi, ayan. So, si Ma'am Ella. So, nakikita ko na kayo guys. So, masaya ako na I was able to build this community. Huwag yung isipin na ito ay burden sa part ko. Actually, it's a give and take eh. And masaya ako kasi you are supporting me here. So, for this one, Ma'am Jess, think about your question, okay? Huwag niyo isipin na, pwede, last na to. No, okay lang yan. Ano ka ba? Is it right na you'll just tweet? Ano ba yan? So, sabi ko, kasi ako, sabi ko, kapag kami lumabas dito na woman na siya yung magte-take action, I would say these things sa'yo rin. Hindi ako magdadalawang isip. So, for this one, however, for this card talaga, Ma'am Jess, I can see here that your person would be the one who would take action sa'yo. So, kanina, siya yung di ba, siya yung nagpahinga? Siya yung nag-take a break sa connection na to. Look at the hangman. Kanina pa to lumalabas. I believe this is the third time na lumabas siya. Siya yung nag-choose nitong time na to pause. So, siya rin, yun dapat mag-take action towards you. The Knight of Wands, this about the guy. Kasi knight eh. Baka naka-armor ito. Siya yung nagte-take action towards you. Take that risk towards you. And as you can see here, if you're wondering, ito bang tao na ito na miss ako? Yes, naririndi siya sa'yo. And this is haunting energy. Hinuhaunt mo siya regardless kung na-spilled man yung mga cups na yan. Regardless if wala ka man sa harapan niya. Look at the guy here. Kahit wala ka sa harapan niya, naiisip ka niya. And also, we have here the Ten of Cups. You deserve this Ten of Cups. Probably one of the reason why you cannot manifest things kasi deep down, maybe naku-question mo yung worth mo na baka hindi ko to deserve or baka hindi ako worthy na ipaglaban ng isang tao. So be careful with your assumption. Be careful with how you define yourself in a connection, in a relationship. So huwag ka mag-alala kasi when we say 10 out of 10, this person loves you. So wala kang ibang dapat pagkaalala. He chose this pause. So siya rin dapat yung tumama. Ikaw, as the Empress, stay ka lang sa throne mo and that's it. You choose yourself. Wala kang gagawin dito kundi palakasin yung beliefs mo, palakasin. Siguro kung may effort man sa manifestation, hindi siya effort dito sa 3D realm. Effort ito when it comes to your palakasin yung mindset. Yung tinatawag natin persist, I'm not talking about persist kayo sa 3D realm, like habulin mo yung tao or magbigay ka ng effort, may kailangan kang patunayan sa mundo. No, I'm talking about here, yung mindset mo. Okay? Yan yung kailangan mong maging persistent ka. Ask yourself, this is how you check yourself. Bakit ba? Bakit ba hindi ako, bakit hindi dito mag-contact ulit or hindi siya ganito? So ask yourself, kasi ganito. Kapag you are able to answer and give blockage dun sa tanong mo na yun, ibig sabihin, yun yung truth na pinanghawakan mo. And you have to change those. Baguhin mo. Be delusional. Ako nagsasabi sa'yo, if other people are telling you na, huwag kayo maging delusional, no. Dito sa page ko talagang encourage ko kayo maging delusional. Walang other methods here. Ginagawa lang nila may methods. Of course, kasi content yan. Let's be honest here. Content yan eh. Kunwari, gagawa-gawa pa na mga kung ano. Guys, simple lang yung manifestation. Be fucking delusional. That's it. Tignan nyo yung mga taong sobrang delusional sa mundo. Kahit hindi sila super ganda, hindi sila super yayaman, but somehow, kasi yung mindset nila ganun, people are calling them delusional, di ba? They can quantum leap. Okay, so for this one, thank you so much po, Ma'am Jess. I will now proceed to the next client. I believe si Ma'am Lay Hakaban
is the next one. And then after niya, sino po yung nag-send? I'm not sure kung si Ma'am Mika ba? Ayan, yes po, si Ma'am Lay. Ay, Ma'am Jess, alam mo pareho tayo. Ay, hi Ma'am Mika. Nauna po kasi mag-chat kanina pa si Ma'am Lay. After ni Ma'am Lay, si Ma'am Mika, and then, yun na po, yung pagkakasunod-sunod si Nobita, and then, sino Afike? Ayun. So, alam mo ba Ma'am Jess, kapangalan niya yung sister ko rin, Lay din ang pangalan. So, 'di ba? Baka talagang meant tayo magkaroon ng connection. So, yeah. Salamat sa paghihintay kasi talaga akong mabilis ang daldal ko eh. Sige po. Oo, kasi yun din yung pagkakabasa ko rin eh. After ni Ma'am Lay, yan, sunod-sunod na kayo. So, Ma'am Lay, what is your question po? I cannot open my TikTok po. Oo nga, salamat. Sige po, ask mo na po. Pasensya lang kasi I cannot open my private, my private messages. Yun po, yun. Ma'am Lay, then Ma'am Mika, and then si Novi, and then Ma'am L. Screenshot ko ha. Ayun. Ano ang energy ni Michael sa'yo? So, think about your person. If you would like to take a deep breath, do that. So, think about your person, visualize this person, and question as I shuffle these cards. You chose number 8. Ano ang energy ni Michael sa kanya? Okay, your person here, first of all, thank you so much po, Pauleng, for sending me badge. Your person here wants to take action and may mga plano siya sa'yo. However, talagang exhausted siya and feeling left out in the cold. And also, punong-puno rin siya ng fears. As I said, hindi ako magsusugarcoat dito. Fears sa connection nyo. So, let's start with the first one. We have here the Nine of Wands. So, Nine of Wands, look at the character here. Talagang pagod na pagod itong person mo dito because of dealing with repetitive problems dito sa connection yun na to. This could also represent yung mga hardships and challenges sa connection. Look at the main character here. Talagang pagod na pagod siya. I'm seeing here that your person sees you as someone na abundant and your aura is glowing. Para magkaiba kayo, di ba? Look at him. Nine of Wands. Sa kanya, pagod na pagod siya sa life. In yung fire na natitira niya is isa na lang. However, when it comes to you, you are glowing. You are abundance personified. And itong tao na to, punong-puno ng fear sa connection niyo. Somehow, feeling niya, hindi siya makapasok inside your tower or dito sa safe zone. Diba, ikaw kasi free ka eh. You have financial freedom. However, your person here, somehow, parang feeling niya nakakulong siya sa isang bagay. I'm not saying this is the reality, pero ito yung perspective niya. This is how he feels for you. Na parang feeling niya, he was left out in the cold, na pag-iwanan siya, and he cannot do anything right towards you. However, meron naman siya dito mga plano about this connection. He would like to take action, pagpaplano, and also he would like to take action about this connection. Let me go ahead and get another card. And also, when it comes to you naman, meron naman siyang want to take action and really pursue you. This person is lustful or sexually attracted towards you. We have here the King of Wands. Sa lahat ng mga hari, siyang pinakaganon. Wants to take action, sadyang, as of this time, pinapangunahan siya ng mga fears of the unknown. Look at the characters here. So, para siyang naging puppet ng kanyang fears. Diba? Para siyang
sunod-sunuran dun sa mga fears niya na to. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much po, ma'am. I will now proceed to my next client. How many questions po yung sinend you, ma'am? Punong-puno siya ng fears. Naka, 4 questions. Sige po. Kasi ang check-out, kasi mag-check-out kami ng 12. So, ayan. What is your second question po, ma'am? Okay lang po ba sa inyo ilagay nyo na lang po lahat ng question nyo dito para at least I can read it? Yung 3 questions pa. Tapos, pili rin po kayo ng number 1 to 10. Okay, let's see ha. As of this time po siguro, hindi po muna ako mag-accept na ng question kasi medyo super dami na po and I have to stop yung pag-answer kasi susunod po kay Ma'am Lee is marami pa pong susunod. And sila Ma'am Mika, sila Nobi, and then yung isa pa po, I forgot her name. Makakabalikan pa ba kayo? You chose number 5. Okay, so based sa mga cards na to, your person here is ask muna kita, Ma'am Lee, ano ba yung sinasabi sa'yo ng intuition mo? Do you feel that this person is having some third party or some affairs? Because if you are thinking about it, we have here the High Priestess. You are actually in line. Hindi ka paranoid lang dito. You are actually in line with your thoughts. I'm so sorry to say this. However, I'm seeing here that your person is actually doing stuff that aren't good or aren't great. The Devil card is about devil or toxic or forbidden connection coming from your person. We also have here the Two of Swords, which is about cannot decide between 2 or more things. This is your person, and also we have here the Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is your person here is juggling 2 commitments here. You have here the Two of Pentacles, which is about may dalawa siyang ginajuggle dito. So maraming indicators dito that your person is having some affair that you may not be aware of. So if you're thinking, teka, wala naman ako nakikitang text eh. So, ang High Priestess kasi, this is your guides telling you. Kaya siya nakita dito sa reading, it's because your guides are telling you talagang you're not being paranoid here. You are actually in line with your intuition, with your instincts. And huwag ka mag-alala kasi at the end of the day, your person still sees you as someone that is very abundant. A mother. Look at the Queen of Pentacles. I'm not saying that you are a mother, pero ito yung energy na binibigay mo dito. You are the queen. This person respects you and also sees you as someone that is very successful in life. Let's see kung magkakabalikan ba kayo. Your person po, as of this time, it's a no. Because your person here is too exhausted. Is too exhausted with this connection or with the relationship with you. So for this one, if you would like to manifest your person back, you can go ahead and disregard this message. I'm also always teaching po about the law of assumption because you know what, I was also, sige, pwede ko naman explain yan soon, pero you can always revise the situation. Until ano po, bago po, para matapos ko na lang po ito, ma'am, huwag kayong mag-alala guys kasi later, mag-online din po ako ulit. Okay, so for this one, can you please chat na po, ito na yung second
next question nyo, ma'am. Let's see, ha? So, dapat ko ba siyang hintayin? For this one, Miss Lay, you chose number 6 and let's now answer your questions. So, this is a no because we have here, ay, sorry. Ayan, nawalan ka ng internet. So, for this one po, for your next question, dapat mo ba siyang hintayin? Ala, hindi mo narinig. Oh my gosh. So, sige, explain ko na lang sa'yo yung previous reading. Yung previous question mo kasi is, ang tanong mo ay magkakabalikan pa ba kayo? Based sa mga cards po, your person is still super exhausted and also been doing a lot of, masabi kong toxic attachments or things that are happening behind the scenes na hindi maganda because we have there the devil card and devil card, it's toxic, and also meron din lumabas na yung two of pentacles, which is about your person juggling two commitments here. If you are thinking na, teka, baka may third party ba and you're just being paranoid, lumabas po ang High Priestess. Ang High Priestess, this is about you. Talaga nakatap in ka sa iyong intuition. You're not being paranoid here. There is, mayroon siyang ginajuggle dito. That masasabi natin, of course, perspective naman yan ng tao, di ba? Pero masasabi natin na hindi maganda if you or someone that is committed. So, yun po. Based sa mga cards, your person is still exhausted and also been doing stuff na hindi maganda. Okay? So, for this one, for your question, your question here is, dapat mo ba siyang hintayin? Based po sa mga cards ito, ay, so sorry. Bakit ganito yung mga cards mo, ma'am? Based po sa mga cards ito, your person here, kung ano may in-offer niya sa table, it's just barya-barya lang. Page of Pentacles, which is not in line with who you are. You should be the queen here. So, dapat ang in-offer sa'yo na pagmamahal or commitment, it should be 10 out of 10. However, dito sa connection niya to, page energy lang. So, hindi ko masasabing deserve mo itong page energy na to. And lumabas dito, yung Knight of Swords, which is about, dapat ang connection, di ba? Ang relationship, it should be full of love, pagmamahal, romantic feelings. However, for this specific card, it's like always having a fight, ready to fight, rushing, always debating. And this is not a good energy when it comes to relationship. I'm also seeing here the death card. So, ang literal meaning nito, this is about endings. Okay? Endings. So, based po sa mga cards ito, of course, you are still the master of your fate. Based po sa mga cards ito, you should end the connection because you don't deserve this. Okay? I can also see here that your person would go back to your connection. However, it will take years or medyo mabagal talaga ang kanyang movement dito. We have here the Knight of Pentacles. Look at the main character. Look at the wheel. Masyado maliit yung wheel niya dito eh. So, mag-ano rin naman siya. Magko-commit din naman siya sa'yo. However, medyo mabagal talaga yung kanyang connection. Pero for now, based sa mga cards ito, based sa mga guides mo dito, spirit guides mo, your guides are telling you to end the connection with you. For this one po, ma'am, ililipat ko lang po itong reading. Lilipat lang po ako sa room because mainit na po. And guys, sa mga natatanong po, I will end the live video pagtapos ko lang po ng mga current clients ko. Hindi na po ako tumatanggap ng clients for this video. Pause ko lang po muna. Ay, hindi. Patapusin ko lang muna tong video na to before I proceed. Ayan. Oo nga eh. Yes po, may babae po siya. Pasensya na po. Is it okay? I will just pause the video po. Hindi naman pause, pero kasama ko kayo guys. Kasi, yun. Mainit na po kasi dito. Kanina kasi, nung umaga, parang chill-chill pa. Pero ngayon tanghali,
ko naman napansin, eh, tanghali na pala. Ba 'yan? Ano ko lang 'to. Sige bago ako mag-proceed sa next question, kila Ma'am Nika, I will pause answer ko na lang din yung last question ni Ma'am Lay. May iba na ba siya? You chose number 10. So earlier, nasagot na po yung question na yan, pero let's see talaga na i-meditate talaga natin um, to give us details about it. Okay? So may iba na ba siya? You chose number 10. Okay, so are you still there po, Ma'am Lay? Nakakainis. Yes po, visible po kayo, Ma'am Kat. Hi. For this one po, Ma'am Lay, are you still there po? I hate to say this, pero there is a lovers here. So earlier, I interpreted this specific card as someone na parang you feel na parang he was left out in the cold. But it turns out na yung reading ko earlier is not about him left out in the cold. This is you na parang left out in the cold and you cannot go inside this tower. So anong nandito sa tower na to? Bakit hindi ka makapasok or bakit wala kang access dito? To be honest, I'm seeing here a connection. We have here the lover's card. There is someone here that you may not be aware of. There is a connection here that your person is, yan, karelasyon. And also, I'm seeing here that this woman is, young and also independent, miss, talagang dalaga. And this is a yes. Okay? I'm so sorry for this one, Miss Lee. Pero, like I always say, ang tarot reading, these are tools, these are, mirrors to tap in with your intuition. And guys, I will pause the video. I will just transfer location. And kila Miss Mika and kila sa mga susunod pa po, wait lang ha. I will pause the video po. Thank you so much po. Wait. Hindi, ipapause ko lang muna saglit kasi I'll just transfer. Pause lang. Hello. And so I will now proceed to my next client. Miss Mika, are you still here? And guys, hindi na po ako mag-accept ng mga readings after this kasi mag-check out kami. Ayan. Yan. So for this one, sa mga susunod din, na mga susunod kayo, Miss Mika, please type down your question and also your number. Yes po, ano ko na lang. After po nila Ma'am Mika, nila, sino ba yung susunod dito? After niya, mahaba eh. May tatlong tao pa. Hi Ma'am Jess, I'm so sorry po kasi hinahabol ko po yung 12 PM. So, hindi po muna ako mag-accept ng questions guys. Huwag muna kayo mag-send ng questions. Okay, so later naman mag-ano ko, sadyang nagmamadali lang talaga ako guys. Kasi as I said nga, mabilisang online lang. Hindi ko naman expect kasi na marami. So, energy check po ni Luis towards you. With what plot twist po ba this week? You chose number 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, this is a yes and a no. Guys, huwag po muna kayo magsasend I'm so sorry po kasi pa-end na po yung, hindi pa ako nakaka-impake. So, yun po. Pero later, mag-online naman ako, I swear. Promise, mas chill ang vibes later. So, first of all, within this week, I can see here na energy check sa'yo, ni person mo na to. I can see here that your person is having some, urong-sulong siya when it comes to you. This is him versus him. Nagkakaroon siya ng indecision between whether or not mag-reach out na ba siya sa'yo o hindi. This is actually part of his plan. We have here the Three of Wands, which is about planning and wanting to take action towards you. However, if there is something na nagpipigil sa kanya, is yung sarili niya rin because he's also assessing things. And nandito rin kasi siya sa hermit mode. Ang hermit mode, this is someone na nag-isolate ng sarili niya. Hindi siya masyadong nagpaghalubili sa iba because this is him. Talagang tinitake niya yung time niya to meditate. Parang alam mo, yung sarili niya yung sinasangguni niya as of this time. When it comes to you, I'm seeing here that this person puts you on the pedestal, just like the star here, someone na nasa throne or actually hindi lang nga to sa throne eh. Someone na above talaga, like celestial being, and what you can offer in this world is so much abundance. Look at the main character here. The star is embodied by a woman, and what you can offer here is not just patak-patak or droplets lang. It's full-blown abundance talaga yung in-offer mo dito. And this person sees you as someone na gives him light and also gives his world life. The sun card is about it. And also, ang sun cards kasi, it's also star, di ba? So, it's a dwarf star. So, itong tao na to talaga, this puts you sa posisyon na mataas ang tingin niya sa'yo. I'm seeing here na ang energy check niya as of this time, he's still on this emperor card, which is someone na binibuild ang kanyang empire, not someone na, willing to show his vulnerability. Actually, ang hirap ng basahin ng emperor. Just like a normal emperor, diba? Hindi naman nila hinayaan makita ng iba yung emotions nila or vulnerable side kasi this is him building his finance or building his empire. I can see here that by New Year, Ace of Pentacles pa talaga ang ganap sa inyong dalawa. Ace of Pentacles, this is New Year, willing to plant seed of commitment when it comes to you and your person. For this one, thank you so much po, Miss Mika. God bless you, and don't forget to manifest things. Okay, huwag ka magda-doubt. Huwag ka magda-doubt sa sarili mo because yan ang essence of life. Hindi to suffer. Okay. So, sige po, what is your second question? Night time pa po. Mga alas 12 pa po. Or 11 p.m. Depende po sa ano ko, sa schedule ko. Kasi may mga ganap po kasi ngayon eh. So you chose number 9. May chance ba na magkita kayo soon? If yes, when? You chose number 9. Think about your person as I shuffle this card, Miss Mika. And sa mga nagtatanong guys, I no longer accept po questions. Tinatapos ko na lang po yung mga ongoing line natin. And yun. Ayan. So, Miss Mika, I'm so sorry to say this. However, yung person mo medyo nakatapin pa dito sa kanyang. He's been dealing with his own demons. We have here the devil card. And masyado siyang takot pa lumabas or mag-take ng risk as of this time. So, I'm not saying that he's a coward, pero medyo nandito pa siya sa hermit mode na parang isolate. Parang wala bang gana lumabas muna or makita. But I can see here na talagang you're actually, if you're manifesting this person, sige po, Ma'am El. Screenshot ko po Thank you so much po, Ma'am El. If not naman, if hindi ako makapag-online, I am refunding naman the payment. So, refunding or record. Pero, bira kasi ako mag-record eh. For this one po, we have here the High Priestess. Thank you so much po. God bless. The High Priestess, Mamika. If you are manifesting this person, I can see here that you are, you are in line with your intuition, with your power to manifest. So, gumagana yan pag patuloy mo lang persist on your thoughts because you are actually manifesting this person. When it comes to his actions towards you, Knight of Pentacles talaga medyo mabagal. Nandito sa kanya yung wanting to offer you commitment. Pero look at the wheels here. Medyo mabagal yung kanyang transportation dito. It's because nandito pa siya sa hermit mode. And he has been dealing with his own demons. So, kuha pa ako ng another card. We have here the Three of Cups wanting to reunite with you and also Temperance card. So, since he's been dealing with his demons at medyo mabagal yung kanyang progress. So, dito sa reunion niya na to, mag-tap in ka po dito, Mamika, sa Temperance card, which is about willingness to, to wait. You understand na itong Two of Cups na to, it's not something na agad-agad, perfect agad. So, you should have the patience here. And I can see here that your connection with this person, this is divinely guided. When I say divinely guided, meron kayong higher purpose why you meet this person. Okay? So, yun po muna yung kanyang energy. Sad to say, wala pa masyadong kita, wala pa masyadong ganap sa inyong connection. Pero your guides are really advising you since more inconsistent kasi ang ano sa'yo is by next year eh. Manifest by next year. So, if hindi rin po aabot, ayan, pasensya na Ma'am Kat ha, if ever hindi makaabot. Pero sige po, i-answer na lang din natin. 15 minutes, so baka aabot pa naman. So, Pero screenshot ko na lang just in case. What are Nobi's question? Ayan. I-record na lang natin. Give lang po kayo ng question, Ma'am Mika. And sa mga nag-send din po, please give me your last 4 digits of your cell phone number para makita ko yung if ano ba, aabot ba or not, ma-refund ko po. Energy ni Jerome towards Bernard. And you chose number 7, okay? So for this one, since this is recorded, and Bernard, kahit na recorded to, think about your person as I shuffle these cards, and you chose number 7. The moon card. Okay, so Bernard, thank you for patiently waiting. I'm seeing here that your person is actually attracted towards you, and this person considers your connection as something that is taboo or against his beliefs. So we have here the Tower card, which is about someone na may strong belief siya, could be his core. However, yung presence mo dito sa connection na to with your person is making him question his core o yung beliefs niya. Kaya ako nasabing taboo because we have here the King of Wands, which is about sexual desires, passionate feelings towards you, wanting to take action. However, meron ditong Devil card. At the back of his mind, whether he is accepting it or not, nafe-feel niya that this is against the teachings or against his core. This is about temptations. And also, this is the reason why yung tower niya, it's breaking down. Ang tower kasi nire-represent niya yung mga belief system that has built, possibly lifetime yan ang binild to, pero naki-question talaga itong sitwasyon, itong presence mo sa life ng person na to, it's really questioning his beliefs. I'm seeing here that your person is doing his best to tap in with his logical self. Ang King of Swords, someone na talagang pinapairal yung logic versus heart. And also, there are fears here. You have here the Moon card. Okay lang magka-fears pero itong specific person mo na to, para siyang ginagawang puppet ng fears niya. Diba? Parang may strings dito and then yung Moon na to, yun yung nagda-drive sa kanya whether or not he's gonna take action for this. This, if you are thinking if this person is, meron ka bang timbang dito sa tao na to? May timbang ka dito? Okay? May timbang ka sa tao na to. And this is causing him anxiety talaga na parang sabay-sabay kinakaray niya ito sa kanyang mindset. Also, your person is doing his best to say no to these cups. Yung cups na to, I'm not saying, pag sinabing cups kasi, this is, may timbang ito sa puso eh. This is something that is emotional. Ang cheesy man pakinggan, pero may timbang talaga yan sa puso. However, your person here is doing his best to say no to these cups. Not because he wanted to, kasi hindi siya masaya dito sa option na to eh, pero nandito kasi siya sa tower moment. Naki-question talaga yung kanyang beliefs dito or yung faith niya dito sa ano. And also, ang current status niya nga as of this time is he is so bored in his life and he's actually setting aside your connection with him. So, kukuha pa ako ng isang card. You have here the Ten of Swords. This person really feels na parang ang dami niyang sabay-sabay na na-receive sa kanyang current life, and it's causing him to have this indecision whether or not pupush through niya ba tong connection na to or hindi.
You have here the Two of Swords. Ang Two of Swords is someone na it's like him versus him. Cannot decide between two things. Kasi marami siyang talagang nawindang mo yung tao na to. Pero wag ka mag-alala kasi ang Tower card, this is a major arcana card. And like you said, you are a tarot reader. Ang major arcana kasi, it has major effects sa life. So, you really destroy this person's peace. Nandito siya sa state ng, or sa phase na life niya wherein, tinitingnan niya kung talagang parang nawindang mo yung kanyang life, especially if this is a LGBT connection and this person is not that vulgar with his sexuality. I am seeing here that isa rin yun sa mga reasons why he is acting like this. So, wag ka mag-alala kasi we have here the Star card and the Seven of Wands. I'm seeing here that soon your person will also have this clarity and also wish fulfillment. This is about healing energy, and your person here would be able to get out of this trap na siya rin naman ang gumawa. Kasi if you're gonna analyze this card, it may seem na parang nakatrap yung main character dito eh. Pero in reality, if we're gonna look at this, diba? Hindi naman talaga siya nakatrap eh. So, yun. Huwag ka mag-alala kasi I can see here that your person will also have this clear mind. And I'm seeing here, New Year na naman. Ay, lumabas na naman yung Ace of Pentacles. For this one, thank you so much po for watching. Guys, sino po yung nag-send pa po? Can you please pa-clarify lang po muna? I will screenshot this because I really have to check out na po. May second question pa po siya. Sige po, tapusin ko na lang yung second question niya. And sa susunod po, yung mga nag-send, kanina na-screenshot ko na sila Miss L, si Miss L and si Ma'am Kat. So, aside po sa kanila, sino pa po yung nag-send? Because, i-end ko na po yung ano nito. So, energy ni Dance Daryl towards you only. May romantic feelings ba siya sa'yo? So, okay. You chose number 8, Bernard. So, kahit recorded to, think about your person as I shuffle these cards. If you have to take a deep breath, do it. Dance Daryl. Dance Daryl. Meron ba siyang romantic feelings for you? The Moon card. Queen of Wands. Okay, so for this one, I'm not seeing romantic. When I say romantic, kasi talagang dapat love cups yan. Pero what I'm seeing here is sexual tension from this person. We have here the Queen of Wands. This person, you may not be aware of this kasi ang Moon card, this is happening behind the scenes. This is about mysteries, unconscious or subconscious. This is something that is hidden. And I'm seeing here that your person, or itong si Dance Daryl, is secretly thinking about you as someone that is very sexual and very attractive. So when it comes to romantic feelings, hindi ko masabing romantic feelings like cup of love, diba? Pero this person has a lot of hidden sexual tension. And as you can see, we have here the Strength card, which is someone na parang nilalabanan yung feelings or nilalabanan yung tension here. Kaya ako nasabing tension because we have here the Queen of Wands. So, yeah, this is how this person sees you. Please disregard the gender because ang Queen of Wands talagang energy niya is someone na parang seductress or someone na very sexy sa ibang tao. So, for this specific person, because we're reading dense Daryl. So talagang this person finds you attractive and irresistible. And also, we have here the Five of Pentacles. This person, when it comes to his energy, feeling niya hindi siya makapasok dito sa circle mo, or there is some sort of boundaries or tower na hindi siya makapasok or wala siyang access dito. This person is patient towards you. We have here the Temperance card. Patient siya when it comes to you, and also you have here the Four of Swords. Wala ka pang makikitang action dito kasi this person is actually restoring his energy. I don't know what's happening with his personal life, pero this person is talagang nagpapahinga pa o wala pa masyadong action coming from this person. And also, this person considers you as someone that is a good teammate or part ng circle niya, because you are someone that is supportive and also parang may good dynamic sa inyo, sa isa't isa. Clarify ko lang, hindi pa siya talaga love, but it's more of a sexual desires. So for this one, thank you so much po, Miss Mika, and of course, Bernard. Yan ang mga kaibigan, di ba, nagsiscreenshot. Thank you so much for always supporting me here. Guys, don't forget to be delusional and be, alam mo yon, palakasin nyo inyong mga faith nyo. Okay lang magkaroon ng doubts. Actually, hindi nga okay magkaroon ng doubts eh. Sabihin ko na sa inyo, hindi okay magkaroon ng doubts, magkaroon ng fears. Kasi it will not help your manifestation. And I don't want to build a community here wherein lahat tayo dito ay nandun sa victimhood. Okay? So, whenever may negative thoughts na papasok sa inyo, stop it agad. Okay? So, sa mga nag-pay po, ayan, I will now... Ma'am, 8 minutes na lang po kasi I really have to end this. And yung mga nag-pay po kanina, I would refund the payment. And then, yun po. I-PM nyo lang po ako ha. Thank you so much po and God bless everyone. So, Ma'am Jess, bawi po ako later. I swear magla-live ako. Bye!